today we have another parcel, and this will be the final piece of the puzzle. And this is the keyboard, and this is fun to unbox, but not so fun after I saw this huge dent while shipping. This is a Fun 60 TMR keyboards. If you have ever heard of whooting, this is by Monsgeek. Apart from the damage, best part is this one has an aluminum body, so I don't think there would be much damage. This comes in this nice case. I think the foam took all the impact. Packaging could have been a little bit better. This is a TMR keyboard. Okay, so it takes the magnetic ones and the mechanical ones, and this gives us the rapid trigger, the variable actuation force in terms of response time. It's like in 0.1 or 0.01 milliseconds. Let's do a sound test for the first time. Not the best sounding keyboard. This is completely solid. This is so much heavier than a last keyboard, and you can see this takes a little bit of design inspiration from whooting. This is the impact, a blunt impact. On the keyboard we don't have any such dent, so yay for me and yay for the keyboard. But Monsgeek, if you're watching this, please improve a little bit of padding. This should handle couple of accessories. We have a very basic keycap puller, switch puller, a gold plated USB to USB-C. This is a non-braided cable. That's all that we get inside the box. Let me give you a sound drop. So much of oomph to it, but yeah, this is the Monsgeek Fun 60 Ultra keyboard, and this is the latest technology. And whooting started a revolution, and a lot of companies join, and it's a good thing that we get to see all these technologies work so flawlessly. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, the sound so bad. This control, it hurts my ear.